Okay guys, this is the next installment of the laminate. You guys saw me basically cut, or you didn't see me cut. I'm sized a little piece of paper towel, something I had on hand, and then I've taped it down over, underneath here is similar to the little piece over here I need to do as well. There's a gap, there's a strip of veneer missing. And as I mentioned to you all in an earlier video, I found through Lee Valley Tools, you can buy a little packet. It's like a variety pack of veneers, and you get, it says 3 square foot packs, but I think there's like 4 or 5 different kinds of wood. It was pretty reasonable. Now, I'm gonna try this and see what happens. I went into the kitchen, I got a wooden spoon, and I'm gonna sort of press, see if this works at all. Not really. It doesn't harm anything, but it's actually not helping me either. Now, I can also try to take one end of the scissors here very carefully. Okay, now that's interesting. Notice that I'm putting light pressure onto the paper towel, and I can feel if I'm slightly pushing to the right where the edge of the damaged laminate is. Kind of tricky thing to try, but I'm going to try it. Figure why not, right? Cost me 1 paper towel. Now you can see it looks like an embossment, if you will. Now, if I come over to the other side, I can also, remember this thing is sort of an organic shape. It's like a strip, but it's not, completely square. Now, let's let you guys take a look